Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Tie a ponytail. Now roll the hairs and fix it in the between like this. Now roll the hairs again and fix it inside the rubber band in the shown way. Now fix it to make a bun and it's ready. Next, tie half of the hairs on the top. Now rotate it as shown in the video. Fold it as shown. Fix it properly. Divide it into two parts. Make the plaits on the hairs. Now fold it upward and fix it like this. Tie the hairs and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it in the halfway like this and fix it one by one as shown in the video. Tie the hairs, fix all of them by making the plaits like this, fold it and it's ready. Next, tie half of the hairs. Now take the hairs from the sides, make the plaits on it like this, rotate the hairs and then fix it. Now roll it around, again make the plaits and then fold it from the right side and it's ready. Next, tie a ponytail, divide the hairs into two parts. Now rotate them and fix them into each other. Make a bow on the top like this. Now fix it by dividing the hairs into two parts. Make the plaits and then fold them upward and fix it like this around the bun and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs. Now pull it down and then rotate the hairs like this. Fix the hairs as shown in the video properly. Put it and make a bun and it's ready. Thanks for watching.